Trust me, it's his toy. If he wants to put his hands on it, he can.
Well, he's being nice.
Hey boys, Cherry.
Sorry, man.
Set up the pool.
You checking it out? Good boy. Good boy.
Handsome. Handsome. Come here. What you doing, bud?
Good pool.
What's that for? What's that for?
What's what for? That water table? You can put water in that too. We gotta clean it off though, Dad. I got some.
Handsome. Handsome. What are you doing, bud? Come here. Come on.